We're going to see how this recording goes.
All right.
All right. So we are going to try to take out this damn thing with rocket launcher.
Yeah.
You got
Yeah.
that. You still got that damn arrow
Woo!
sticking out you, dude. All
I
right.
know.
You are
This
you
is
going up top?
inappropriate.
You
Yeah, I'm
going up
gonna
top?
shoot that first level, not the very top level, but the level underneath,
All right. Go
just
go
above
for
where
it.
it says
Then I'll
town
shoot.
hall.
Go for it.
All right, ready? Three, two, one. Let's go, baby.
Oh,
How do we do? Oh, nice little chunk.
hold on. I get it. I get next one.
All right. All right.
Oh,
Oh,
wait.
here it comes. Here it comes.
Oh,
Ready? I got this. I got this front pillar
go ahead.
ready. Oh,
Oh,
why did it go
oh.
through? Oh,
Hold on. I got it.
like it was a winner. Nice shot, dude. Look at it come down.
You
Let me
got
see
to
if
go
I
a
can
little
get
bit
one.
lower on that pillar.
Yeah, I'm gonna get one from back here. Oh, I hit the front. Nice shot. Go for the back corner.
I think we might need to go in the back, dude.
See if I can hit this back wall from here. Ah, caught the front part. Must need to aim higher.
Yeah. Let's see. Oh, oh,
Oh,
oh.
nice shot on the corner back there.
Hell yeah.
Here it comes. Here it comes. Why?
Hold on, hold
I
on.
need to aim higher.
Ah. I only got 4 left, dude.
Yep, down to 5. I got you.
All right, oh,
Oh
oh, oh,
yeah.
oh,
Oh
oh.
yeah.
There it
That was
is.
a winner. That was a winner.
All right, hold on. I'm going to run over here.
So basically, aim at the middle of the floor above. Oh, nice shot, dude. Nice shot.
Oh, he's coming down.
She's coming down. Oh, look at her go.
Oh,
Look
shit.
at her go.
I
Hell
told you
yeah.
it'd be fun just to blow shit up. All right, hold on.
Get
Before
the
you...
whole thing's crumbling. There's one more in the back corner. Oh, it's all gonna go. It doesn't even matter.
I don't think
Oh,
so.
that's beautiful. Oh, one little chunk.
Oh,
What? There we go. Oh, great shot.
oh hell yeah.
Oh, that's
We have
awesome.
succeeded. Okay, wait. How many more do you have left? 2?
I got 3, maybe 4.
I was going to say...
I got 4 rockets.
Well,
One more.
yeah, me too. All right, hold on. Let's see.
Beautiful.
That's...
Beautiful.
You... Do you think we need to knock? I mean, it's locked.
How's the door? So that's I love it. Hold on. Hello?
I need to open the door.
Hello?
Hold on, wait,
We're
wait.
here to file a complaint. The city's going to shite.
Hold on here. See if anybody's in there.
Uh-oh.
No,
It's
okay.
anarchy. I wish I had more rockets. This is
Yeah,
a
I
metal
really...
detector. Well, I
Now,
set it off.
see, now you should have...
That's a negative.
Do you still have a... Okay, you still have a rocket launcher. So you're going to shoot the zombies in here with the rocket launcher.
No,
Okay.
I don't have any more rockets though. No, I'm not saying go in here. I just want to see if I metal detector off. Hell no, it's horde night. I'm getting out of here. Bless your heart. I ain't
Uh,
feeling that.
oh, shit. Hold on. Oh, shut up. Go away.
Oh, hey, mama.
All right. Who's that? Who's that? You die. All right. Well, we did. We took that top part out. I certainly want to
Dude,
do
that was
more.
beautiful.
Yep.
Let me
All
go
right.
like
I'm
this.
gonna.
All right.
I think that's a good first test.
Oh yeah.
All right. Hold on.
Ooh, I found another. No,